How to transfer money from Coinstats to bank account 2025 method. Most people get this wrong. They assume transferring money from Coinstats to a bank account is as simple as clicking withdraw, and the funds appear instantly. The surprising truth is that Coinstats is primarily a crypto portfolio tracker, and while it connects to wallets and exchanges, moving money from Coinstats to your bank involves a few careful steps. If you skip one step, you could face delays, lost funds, or unnecessary fees. In this video, we're going to walk you through the exact 2025 method for safely transferring your money from Coinstats to your bank account. First, it's important to clarify what Coinstats does. Coinstats itself is not a bank or a crypto exchange. It's a portfolio management app that allows you to track your cryptocurrency holdings across multiple wallets and exchanges. This means you can see your balances in real time, check performance, and even trade on supported exchanges. However, Coinstats doesn't hold fiat currency directly, so you cannot simply transfer dollars from Coinstats to your bank. Instead, you move your crypto to an exchange that supports fiat withdrawals, convert it to your local currency, and then transfer it to your bank. Here's the step-by-step method. Step 1. Identify where your crypto is stored. Open your Coinstats app and check which wallets or exchanges your crypto is currently in. Coinstats supports wallets like MetaMask, Ledger, and exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini. You need to know exactly where your crypto is before initiating any transfers. Most mistakes happen when people try to withdraw funds from Coinstats without realizing their crypto is spread across multiple accounts. Step 2. Choose a fiat-friendly exchange. Next, select an exchange that allows you to convert crypto to fiat and withdraw to a bank account. In 2025, top options include Coinbase, known for easy fiat withdrawals and ACH transfers. Binance.US offers direct bank transfers and wire withdrawals. Kraken supports multiple fiat currencies and reliable banking options. Gemini, simple interface for crypto to fiat conversions and bank withdrawals. Make sure your chosen exchange supports your local currency to avoid conversion fees. Step 3. Connect your wallet or exchange to Coinstats. If your crypto is in a wallet, such as MetaMask or Ledger, you'll need to send it to the fiat-friendly exchange. To do this, open Coinstats and select the wallet holding the crypto you want to transfer. Note the public address for the exchange where you plan to deposit your crypto. Double-check the network Ethereum, BSC, Solana, etc. And ensure you're sending your crypto over the correct blockchain. Sending Bitcoin over an Ethereum network, for example, will result in lost funds. Step 4. Transfer crypto to the exchange. Initiate a transfer from your wallet to the exchange. Go to your crypto wallet connected to Coinstats. Select the crypto you want to transfer. Click Send or Transfer and paste the exchange's deposit address. Confirm the network matches the crypto type. Check transaction fees and make sure you leave enough to cover network costs. Submit the transfer and wait for confirmation on the blockchain. Depending on the crypto, confirmation can take from a few minutes like Solana or Polygon to up to an hour like Bitcoin. Step 5. Convert crypto to fiat. Once your crypto arrives in the exchange account, navigate to the trading or sell section of the exchange. Choose to sell your crypto for fiat USD, EUR, GBP, or your local currency. Review the fees. Exchanges typically charge 0.1% per transaction depending on the platform and payment method. Complete the sell order. Now, your crypto has been converted into fiat balance on the exchange. Step 6. Link your bank account before withdrawing to your bank. Go to the fiat withdrawal section of your exchange. Add your bank account details, including routing number, account number, and bank name. Some exchanges require additional verification, such as a photo ID or bank verification micro-deposit. This process ensures the exchange can legally send funds to your bank and complies with anti-money laundering regulations. Step 7. Withdraw to bank account. After your bank is linked, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your withdrawal method, SEPA, wire transfer, or instant transfer. Availability depends on exchange and country. Confirm fees and expected delivery time. ACH transfers usually take 1-3 business days, while wire transfers may arrive the same day but at a higher fee. Submit the withdrawal request. You'll receive a confirmation email from the exchange. Step 8. Confirm. Funds in bank ***. Finally, check your bank account within the expected delivery window. Most exchanges provide a transaction ID or reference number to track your withdrawal. If funds don't arrive after the stated time, contact the exchange's customer support with the transaction ID for assistance. ***. Important tips to avoid mistakes ***. 1. ***. Double check addresses and networks ***. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Sending funds to the wrong address or network can result in permanent loss. 2. Watch for fees ***. Network fees can fluctuate. Plan your transfer when fees are lower if possible. 3. Verify exchange limits ***. Some exchanges have daily or monthly withdrawal limits, especially for new accounts. 4. Keep records ***. Document every transfer for tax purposes and personal tracking. Many countries require reporting crypto to fiat conversions. 5. Use two-factor authentication 2FA***. This adds a layer of security to prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Example scenario ***. Let's say you have 0.5 ETH in your MetaMask wallet tracked on Coinstats. You want to transfer it to your bank account in USD. First, you choose Coinbase as your fiat-friendly exchange. You copy your Coinbase ETH deposit address and send 0.5 ETH from MetaMask, paying a 0.003 ETH network fee. After confirmation, you sell 0.5 ETH for $900 USD. You link your bank account via ACH, and after a 2-day processing period, the $900 appears in your account. By following these steps, you safely converted crypto tracked on Coinstats into cash in your bank account without errors. Conclusion Transferring money from Coinstats to your bank account in 2025 isn't as straightforward as a single click because Coinstats is a portfolio tracker, not a bank. However, by identifying where your crypto is, moving it to a fiat-friendly exchange, converting it to your local currency, and withdrawing to your bank, the process can be smooth, safe, and efficient. Remember to double-check wallet addresses, networks, and fees, and always use secure, verified exchanges. By following this method, you can confidently turn your crypto portfolio tracked on Coinstats into actual money in your bank account. Whether you're cashing out a small portion or a larger amount, using this step-by-step method ensures that your funds arrive safely and efficiently. Most people get stuck because they skip the wallet to exchange step, but with proper planning, transferring money from Coinstats to your bank is straightforward and stress-free in 2025.